So you're thinking of moving to or near Winslow Township in Camden County, New Jersey. That's exactly what I'm going to cover in today's video. We're going to show you a few different neighborhoods and a few different price ranges so you know exactly what you get for your money. We're going to get started right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in South Jersey, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first one to get all the updated content we shoot. My name is Matt Curcio with Curcio Partners at Real Broker. We get calls and messages every day from people like you looking to make their move in the South Jersey market, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 5 days or 5 months, give us a call, send us an email or a text. All of our information is in the description below. So as I mentioned, today we're going to cover a bit about Winslow Township. We're actually here on the border in Gloucester Township at the Cross Keys shops. So we're going to drive you around here and show you some neighborhoods in Winslow. See you in a minute. All right, so we're here in Winslow Township. We made a stop here in Oak Forest. Neighborhood was built in the 1980s. Square footage, they're a little bit smaller. They're about 1,100 square feet to about 1,900 square feet at biggest. Sales prices recently are around mid to high 200s all the way into the 350s. So take a look and we'll go drive you around, show you the neighborhood. All right, so we're at another stop in Sicklerville in Winslow Township. We're going to show you the neighborhood. It's called Primrose Gate, and then we got another one across the street in Eden Hollow. They were built in the 70s, square footage anywhere from 1,400 to 2,600 square feet. There's a few active right now, 299, 369, and 350,000. Sold anywhere from around 300 to mid 300s, but there are some homes that you're able to buy and fix up. So it's really going to depend on the condition of the interior as to what they sell for because they were built so many years ago. So take a look at the neighborhood, good spot, and we'll drive you around. All right, so we're here in White Cedars, which is in Winslow Township, the Cedarbrook section. The neighborhood was built in the early 2000s. Price ranges recently are in the 400s to 600s. There's a few active right now, 489 and 444. Couple closed anywhere from in the 5s to 625. Square footage is anywhere in the low 2000s all the way up to the mid 3000s. So let's drive you around, show you the neighborhood. All right, so we're at another stop here in Winslow Township. We're in the Sicklerville section in the neighborhood called Wiltons Corner. So this neighborhood was primarily built in the early 2000s. Square footage generally 1,900 to all the way up over the mid 3,000s. Prices right now, there's a few active, 415,000, 575,000. Solds are going to be in the 400,000s all the way up over 500,000, closer to 600,000. So as you can see, beautiful neighborhood. Let's drive you around, show you the area. right, so we're at another stop here in Winslow Township. We're in Sicklerville again, where the neighborhood is called Wyndham Hill. It was built in the 90s and early 2000s. Square footage can be anywhere from 1,500 to about 2,300 are the bigger homes. There's one active right now for 300,000. Under contract, 429.9. Sold are anywhere from the mid to high 300s all the way into the mid 400,000s. So see behind me, beautiful area. And we're going to drive you around, show you the rest of the neighborhood.